Hello. Hi guys, how are you doing? This is Noura, accounting and tax professional and the founder of Noura's Books. I'm here today with another tax tip to help you get ready for filing your taxes. You all know that IRS opened their doors yesterday. It was the first day that they accept individual tax return to be e-filed, and here at Noura's Books we already started e-filing for those who already have their documents completed. So I want to also help you to complete your files. Like this year you should be receiving some letters from the IRS you want to pay attention to. It will confirm you how much did you get paid in stimulus checks, and how much did you get and child tax credit if you got any. You want to make sure to keep that, so when we file your taxes you use that same amount, or if you don't agree with that amount, you check your financial your bank account or the check that you received, any record that you have to show how much exactly you received. You want to check and match it with the letter they send you, and then we want to make sure to enter the correct information into your tax return, so your return won't be delayed in this case. If there is any problem or anything different, then you should expect a longer process for that, and which is okay. Like if you don't agree and you're sure that's how much you got and they're saying their letter saying something else, that's fine. We can just like have look at the verification and just let them know this is what happens. You would expect the delay, but then eventually it will be resolved and you'll get all the money that they owe you. I want you to pay attention to different type of envelopes you will be getting, or you probably you should be already received those from the IRS, but if not, like you might be receiving those soon. There's like two type of envelope, like something like this. See, this would be like your name and address, and then it should say here like IRS or Internal Revenue. Well, it says like Department of Treasury, Internal Revenue Service right here, like with your address and name. And then the envelope should say official business penalty for private use $300. So pay attention to that envelope, because this is most likely going to be your child tax credit you received or the stimulus check amount you received in 2021. Another type of documents you want to make sure to pay attention to, that they might send you something like this. This says on it, important tax document enclosed, and this is in case they owed you a return during the year and they delay. Because you know, like IRS, when they delay the return, they have to pay you interest on that. So whatever interest they pay you, that's taxable. So the letter should say, okay, this is how much you got paid interest, and that is taxable. So we should make sure to report that in your tax return, because their system says that. So if you don't file it, even if it's $20, even if it's like $30, who knows, like whatever the amount is, even $5, if they send you a letter like that, you want to make sure to keep it and to give it to your tax preparer, so they can include it in your tax return, because you want to decrease the chance that your tax return needs manual process. So if their system can match everything, then you will your return will be processed faster. But once it's flagged for if there is anything does not match their record, then they will have to have a human being look at that, and that will result in a delay. So pay attention to those in the mail. Make sure you get these and keep those with the tax files you get with the W-2 and everything, and provide those to your tax preparer to make sure you have everything set and complete. So the That's make sure also you file, and if you have previous years you didn't file, make sure you file those. Like, you have to file for that, otherwise you will you might face a failure to file penalty, which could be up to 25% of unpaid taxes, and that's in addition to failure to pay if you don't pay, if you, in case you owe taxes. So you want to make sure that you file regardless, but make sure also you have your tax return. I mean, not necessarily all the paper you need. Like, we're having clients right now, like, coming up, onboarding with us, and we started to helping them. Some of them already have everything completed, so we were able to e-file the return since yesterday. Some others, like, they're still waiting on some documents, and they're still preparing others, and they can just start onboarding themselves. They did already onboard themselves, like we did the paperwork. They're starting uploading their documents into our portal. So regardless if you have your papers or not, you can just go ahead and use the link on the bio. Sign up for our portal, so we can start your return, whether your individual return, business return, or if you want to do your organization return as well, the 990s. Go ahead and sign up on the bio. You can just select the service you want, whether it's going to give you an option of individual return or business return. So if you have an organization, nonprofit organization, you would choose also the business return. So once you sign up, we will contact you in 24 hours, and we can talk to see to talk about your situation and help you prepare for your tax return for this year. If you have any question, please feel free to reach out, either DM me, or you can just email us at hello @noorasbooks.com, and we will be happy to answer your question. Otherwise, if you are ready to work with us, go ahead and onboard yourself now, and happy tax season. Talk to you soon. Bye.